Okay, this is a video on how to download photos from Google Albums or Google Photos. Usually you'll get it's two options. It's either you're gonna get a link from a person who sent it to you, or you're gonna download them from your own Google Photos account. In this case, we're gonna start with the link part. You'll get a link just like that, which you're gonna put it in any browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or whichever browser you prefer. In my case, it's Google Chrome, obviously. And then after that, there's two options as well. So they can download an individual photo, or you can download all the photos. If you want to download all the photos, you just go to these little three dots there, then you go download all. Then it will download the zip file on your local machine, which in most cases will be on your download directory. If you go there, it will be on your download directory. Then you can go open, and if you check, all those three photos are there. Then another second option will be to download individual photo. So for example, if you want to download that photo, you will still go to the same three dots, and then you select it. Only that now you're gonna have to select download. Download all will not be there because you've already selected one photo. Then if you go select, and then you'll go to show in Finder, and then you'll find it here, which is the individual photo that you just downloaded. And then yeah, thanks.